Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare healthy and delicious dry fruits prasada, that is Kobri Kara. It is very healthy and you can eat it on your fasting days. It is usually prepared for the offering for pujas. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications so that you don't miss any new videos. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare Kobri Kara. We need 3 to 4 tablespoons of clarified butter, 1 tablespoon edible gum, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, pinch of nutmeg powder, some cashews, some almonds, these are roughly chopped, some raisins, 5 to 6 dried dates, these are de-seeded and chopped, half cup of desiccated coconut or dry coconut, 3/4 cup of sugar. Now let's see how to prepare Kobri Kara. Keep one pan for heating. Once the pan is hot, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of clarified butter. Once the ghee or clarified butter is hot, we have to roast the edible gum. Keep stove heat to medium and roast these for 1 to 2 minutes until they puff up well. You can see edible gum have become roasted well and they have become crisp now. Let's take these in any bowl. Roasted edible gum is ready. Keep it aside. In the same pan, in the same clarified butter, leftover clarified butter, we have to roast cashews. These are roughly chopped cashews. Here I have taken 10 to 12 cashews. If you want more, you can add more. Roast these on medium to high stove heat for 1 to 2 minutes or until they become light golden brown. Cashews have roasted well. Let's take these in the same bowl. Cashews are ready. Keep this aside. In the same pan, I am going to roast almonds. Roast almonds for 1 to 2 minutes on medium to high stove heat or until you get nice golden brown color. Almond roasting is done. I am going to take this in separate small bowl. These are ready. Keep this aside. In the same pan, we have to roast raisins. Roast these until they become light golden brown. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Raisins have roasted well. Take these in the same bowl which we have taken cashews and edible gum. Keep this aside. Now I am going to roast dry dates. I am going to add 1 more teaspoon of clarified butter. We have to roast these for 1 to 2 minutes so that it will be easy to make coarse powder. Dry dates are very energetic and healthy food. So if you want more, you can add. Here I have taken 5 or 6 dry dates. Roasting is done. Take these in separate bowl. Keep it aside. In the same pan, I am going to roast desiccated coconut or dry coconut. Here I have taken desiccated coconut. We have to roast this on medium to low stove heat for 1 minute. or less than 1 minute. Let's take this in any plate. Keep it aside. Our all roasted dry fruits and coconut is ready. Allow these to cool completely. You can see edible gum have become crisp. Raisins, cashews, dried dates and almonds all are roasted well. Allow this to cool completely. Take one grinding jar, add 3/4 cup of sugar, add cardamom powder, pinch of nutmeg powder. Now we have to grind it into a smooth powder. Sugar powder is ready. Our desiccated coconut has cooled completely. Now we have to add it in sugar powder. Now we have to grind it one more time into a smooth powder. Sugar and coconut powder is ready. I am going to take out in small mixing bowl. In the same bowl we have to add roasted edible gum, cashews and raisins. I am not going to grind cashews, raisins and edible gum, but these dates and roasted almonds we have to grind it into a coarse powder. Take these in grinding jar. To make this coarse powder, I am going to add little sugar and coconut powder, 1 or 2 teaspoons of coconut and sugar powder. Now we have to grind it into a coarse powder. It is easy to grind if we add sugar powder. Our dry dates and almond powder is ready. Now we have to add it to this bowl. Our kobari kara is almost ready. Now we have to mix everything well. Dry fruits filled, healthy, energetic and delicious kobari kara is ready for this Navaratri. Wish you all a very happy Navaratri and wish you all a very happy Dasara festival in advance. It is usually given to ladies after delivery too. This is very healthy. Our kobari kara is ready for this Navaratri. If you want to eat it with little clarified butter, you can eat, or you can eat it with chapati as well, like a chapati roll. You can put this powder and add little ghee and roll the chapati and give it to kids. Kids will enjoy this healthy and tasty, energetic, dry fruits filled prasada or kobari kara. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.